Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito, sabi nga ni BP Sara, ang GABA daily magsabak. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion ngayon itong payag ng isang ICC judge, si Judge Luz Carranza. Nako, hirap na sila ngayon. Hirap siya at sinabi niya, pati daw mga kapwa niya judges, hirap dahil sa parusa na iginawad ng US government sa kanila, plus itong bago pa, yung Russia. Sinintensya ng Russian government ang chief prosecutor at saka 8 ICC judges. Arrest warrant. Nako, baka dukutin sila ng mga Russian operatives. Kung nasaan sila, dukutin, dalhin sa Russia at ikulong. Kasi mayroon ng meron ng arrest warrant yung mga judges na yan. Dahil sa ginawa nila kay President Putin. Nako, delikado sila. Two most powerful countries, including China na rin. Ayaw sa US, ayaw sa ICC, pinaparusahan. Russia, ayaw sa ICC. China, nagrereklamo din sa ICC dahil sa ginawa nila kay Tatay Digong. Kaya there will always be a day of reckoning, mga kaibigan. Ang hustisya darating at darating para sa ating Tatay Digong. Nakakarma na sila. Pakinggan natin ang nakakalungkot, natatakot na ICC Judge Luz Carranza.
To block property and to ban immigration. And essentially, they are intended to block our bank accounts, not only in the United States, which for me is of no significance, but also in Europe. But the thing is that in Europe, the accounts we have are in European banks that normally should work independently from any policy from the United States. So at the beginning, I was called from the bank, I wouldn't say the name now, to announce me that they were canceling my credit card and that I couldn't move any bank account in dollars. I couldn't touch it because they are like kind of freeze. Well, and then we discovered that I couldn't ask even an Uber meal or an Uber taxi. I couldn't use Western Union, where normally I send money to my country for the maintenance of my house. Simply, Western Union has freezed my money without any explanation. They don't receive calls, they don't say nothing. Simply, it's done. But the most interesting thing or terrible thing here is that the sanctions are not only against us, the judges, for our job, but against our families. In my case, they affected also my daughter's visa. I have a daughter who is a high-level professional also, and they sent an email to her saying that prudently they have canceled her visa without any explanation to the United States. So preventing her to go in for some capacity building, giving conferences or making business in United States. She's an international lawyer, so it's really the most sad part for me of the sanctions. And also I have heard from my colleagues that the sanctions have affected their husbands, their wives, their children, etc. So this is the this is the worst part. For me, I don't have I come from Peru in Latin America, and we are not so used to have these digital accounts. I don't have PayPal, I don't have Amazon accounts, but my colleagues, they have, and they now cannot use their accounts. Also, in my country, I cannot move my accounts in dollars. They say that I am ineligible to move my accounts, my own accounts. So this is the way we cannot buy flight tickets, etc. Just to highlight that why the judges now and this court is not deterred, because at least in my case, and I think that I am speaking for my colleagues, we don't think, at least me, I am not here because I need a job. I'm not here because I need the money. I'm here because I feel that I have a mission for humanity. The work of International Criminal Court is for humanity, as Nelson Mandela said. The cause of the International Criminal Court is the cause of humanity. And this is why we are resilient, and this is why we need not only to stand together as judges, but the entire international community needs to do that. Because as such, we are working also, as always, for peace and global security. But still, I am Latin American, still I am Peruvian. So
Peruvian.
We are very resourceful people in my country. So I'm having my strategies which I won't reveal. But it is true that living in Europe, where you don't use digital, you don't use cash, it's very difficult to carry
Yeah.
out. But none of this have or deterred us as judges, because those sanctions are designated to attack our independence as judges, and we are not giving up our independence. As judges, we are more united than ever, and we are carrying out our
So yun, natutuo na yung kasabihan na ang gaba dili magsaba, kasi umiipikto na pala ang mga sanctions ng United States sa mga ICC judges, prosecutors, staff, hindi na makapag-withdraw ng pera, frozen ang kanilang mga bank accounts, hirap na hindi na makabili ng plane tickets, pati pamilya apektado, cancel ang mga visa. Ay nako. So ito na ang mas matindi, yung Russian court decision na arestuhin ang mga ICC judges na nag-issue ng warrant of arrest kay President Putin. Nako, kayang-kaya yan ng mga Russian operatives kung gustuhin nilang nila. Kaya takot nang magbiyahe-biyahe. At ang ating Tatay Digong, pagdasal natin na there will always be a day of reckoning, sabi niya sa atin. Kaya wag po tayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Makakalabas. Ako, araw-araw ko siyang pinagdarasal, makakalabas ng buhay ang ating Tatay Digong. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng maigi sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil namimigay tayo out of our sweldo, namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Ani ang mga yero nga ipangatag sa mga tao. Mga 500 ni ka buok nga yero o naay mga lansang pod. Manan sila ang tagan og yero.
Kino kinuha na kila Teusin. Kino nga kitagaan kog sin nga para sa akong atop. Para gid mga hay sa mubaw.
So muna ni ang balay sa tagaan na mugero. So muna ni ang atop sa natagaan na mugero. Kuan na gid kayo gisi na ang hero og gipangbutangan ra og silupin. So pila na ni katuig ang inyong balay nga inani na ang itsura nga dako na kaayo og buslot.
15 na katuig.
15 na katuig.
Oh.
So nga naman nga sukad sa 15 na katuig wala gid mo nakabalay og maayo nga yero.
Wala man tagay palit.
Lagi.
Sa tungod sa kalisod na wala mi kwarta na di mi pakamuso kay ako na operasyon pud ko. Na akong bana gabantay man sa ako di wala gid mi kwarta.
Wala mo'y kwarta.
Wala.
So dugay na gid kaayo nga wala mo nakapuli og atop.
Dugay na.
Pila ka buki mong anak?
Akong anak kay kuan, pirmiro na ako isa.
Mm.
Ikaduwa dayon tong nawala nga gisi isa ako.
So kuan ra karon imong anak?
Isa ra.
Isara. So makabalay na gyud mo ugma.
Kabalay na mi.
Makaatop na gyud mo.
Kaatop na mi sa gihatag sa amo salamat gid kay sa Ginoo gyud. Naot unta nga magpadayon ni nga tabang.
Oo, so salamat kaayo ba?
O salamat sad kayod kaayo.
Mm.
Ipangtaran ko